Kindly stand for the morning prayer song. Join your hands. Bless the Lord, O my soul, O my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, O my soul. I'll worship your holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, O my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, O my soul. I'll worship your holy name. Good morning, children. Children, I told you regarding I'm going to give a test. I'm going to give a test. It is children only 10 questions are there. Only 10 questions. Options also I'm going to give children. 3 options are there. You have to just put the tick mark. And the paper is 10 minutes time is there. Only 10 minutes. Okay, only 10 minutes. And most probably I'm going to give the test on Wednesday in the evening, maybe around 7:30 to 8:30. After that you are not getting that paper. 7:30 to 8:30, 1 hour is there. After that you won't get that paper. And the timings is only 10 minutes. You have to children downloaded Survey Hard. Most probably you downloaded already, I think so. See, here are the a pattern. Just you have to read children full textbook. Only 2 lessons I'm going to give, one lesson and 1 poem. Swami Vivekananda and He Did It. Only 2 children you have to read. One lesson Swami Vivekananda and He Did It. You have to read the textbook. Read the meaning also. In that meaning is there, you read it. And 1 word answer is there in that only. Textbook only, 1 word answer is there. That also you have to read. Opposite words are there in that textbook only. That also you have to read. Present and past tense I had already given. That also you have to read. Then grammar part is there, children. Grammar part is there. Imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence. That also you have to read. And choose the appropriate, correct answer. That also you have to read. Then abbreviation, children. When I had done the lesson, that time I told you what is the meaning of abbreviation. That also you have to read. And the small question answer you have to read, children, not the big one, the small one. See, listen carefully. Again, I am going to tell you. Read the textbook. Glossary meaning. Choose the most appropriate answer. 1 word answer. Opposite. Identify their kinds means that only imperative sense, whether the sentence is imperative or exclamatory or interrogative. Present tense and past tense. And the poet name, children. He did it. Who had written that poem? That also you have to read. Abbreviation and learn only the small question answer, not the big one, children. Not the big one. Small questions answer you have to learn, children. Okay. Yes, children. See here some examples are there. See, write the opposite of life. 3 options are there. Evil, weak, death. In that, children, you have to select any one. Any one you have to select. Okay. Yeah. Write the opposite of life. What is the opposite of life? Death. Children, death is there. No, there you have to mark it. Are you prepared for the examination? Which sentence is this? At the end, what is there? Question mark is there. Correct? Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Write the past tense of grow. Grow is there, growed is there, grieve is there. What is the correct answer? You have to Take it, children. Okay, this is the just example I had given. I'm not going to give the same. I'm not going to give the same. Like that only 10 questions are there. 3 had already given the pattern. Now you can, I think so mostly you know now how the way I'm going to give the test. I told you read the textbook and choose the appropriate answer. Then learn the meaning. One word, opposite, identify their kinds. I mean interrogative, exclamatory, that. Present tense and past tense. Poet name, abbreviation, and the small question and answer. Are you clear? Yes, children. All the best.